This video is sponsored in part by the emo pop punk phase I went through in middle school and never really got over. That's not even a joke. Hey guys, it's Anarchy, and like I said in the beginning, this video is sponsored. That's right, this video is sponsored by Good Dye Young. They reached out to me and I worked with them to create this amazing wig using their hair color. In case you guys didn't know, Good Dye Young is a hair color company created by Paramore's Hayley Williams. Yes, that Hayley Williams. That company is sponsoring this video. Good Dye Young is a hair color company specializing in super bright colors that are totally on brand for myself. They have this poser paste that's like a wash in, wash out hair paste that you can put in and just have a super bright color for one day. But today, this video is focusing on their semi-permanent hair color, which I used to create this beautiful wig right here. So I told them I wanted to create a very summery wig, so they sent me 3 of their colors. They sent me X-Girl, Sunshine, and Riot, and I used those colors to create this wig. So I'm going to show you guys how I did it and kind of explain on the way how I got this wig to go from just a plain blonde wig that I toned silver. You don't see me do it, but I toned it to silver so the colors would be brighter at the end, to this. So like I said, the 3 colors I used are X-Girl, Sunshine, and Riot. This wig was originally a 613 wig with roots that is 14 inches. It also has bangs in it, which I've been really into wigs with bangs lately, so I wanted to do that. I haven't done an ombre wig with bangs ever, so I was super excited. Yeah, I already toned it with purple shampoo so that it would strip it of its yellows. You would think I want to leave the yellows in because like the ends of this color ended up being yellow, and yes I did, but I also wanted the pink to be very bright and not to turn it too much into an orange at the roots where I put the pink. So I toned it before so that all the colors would be brighter at the end. That was like a debated decision with me. I didn't know if I really want to do that, but I ended up doing it and I liked how it turned out. So coloring this wig was super easy. All I did was take each color and apply it with the pink at the roots, then the orange as a kind of a transition, and then the yellow at the end as like the main color. I kind of wanted it to look like Instagram's logo, but without the purple. So all I'm doing here is applying the color and distributing it with my fingers. It was actually really easy to get the color out of my hands. As you guys know, I tend to like to apply color with my hands more than I do with like a brush or with gloves on or anything. I just feel like I can get in there better if I use my hands. This dye was super easy to get out with just dish soap. Like all I did was wash my hands with dish soap and the dye came right out. So like I mentioned, it was my first time working with Good Dye Young's colors, and I actually ended up really liking it. It's got this like citrusy sweet scent, which is really nice while you're working, and I guess it would also be really nice if you used it on your real hair. I wouldn't know. I dye wigs a lot, so. So once I had all my color applied, I just left it in for 30 minutes and then rinsed it out, and I had this beautiful color right here. Then all I did was curl it and style it. I don't show much of that because I'm not very good at it. But yeah, it depends on how you want to wear it. You could straighten it, you could curl it, you could do whatever. Yeah, I just put a lot of curls in this one to give it like a cute kind of, I don't know, I love this kind of look on me. I like the bangs and the curly hair. I love doing this look. But yeah, I'm absolutely in love with this color. Towards the end, I was wondering if I was going to end up liking it. Like, it sounded really cute in my head, but I was worried it wasn't going to look good on me. It actually looks really, really cute. It's very bright, very summery, very me. I really like it. Thank you so much to Good Dye Young for reaching out to me and giving me the opportunity to make this video for you guys. And thank you guys for watching it. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments and I'll be sure to reply as soon as I can. If you guys like this video, be sure to leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to check out Good Dye Young's hair. I'll leave a link down in the description. And with that being said, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!